Hello, Gales and guys. It's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. Another quick tip for you. And I do these videos when I'm thinking about the tip or I'm utilizing the tip just so I don't forget about making the video. So these are article generators. I was going to sit down today, or I am sitting down today and writing articles for my kayak website that I'm creating. And that's the one I'm using in the lessons on this here channel. If you look on this YouTube channel, you'll see different lessons that I've put together. And that's the example that I'm putting is this crown kayak. And there's nothing really to see there yet because I'm still working on it. Anyways, the point of this tip is I did a search on Google for generators, article generators, and I came up with a couple sites that are interesting. This particular one you could buy a key for, but you don't necessarily need it. So what I did is go to keyword tool. I just put in kayak or kayaks, inflatable kayaks, whatever my keyword I want to look up. I'll just do simple kayak for this particular example. So there's different keywords you can utilize. Kayaking, numerous kayak flights, kayak for sale, kayak trailer, kayak accessories. We'll do kayak accessories. So hopefully I can just copy this. Okay, I'll just go here. I'll put the keyword in here. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. If you want to do yes, you need to get a key. It's like $5 per month. You don't really need it. So you got all that in there, and then it will generate an article for you. So basically what this is doing is it's looking online for other articles. It's taking that particular article and then just rewriting it. So don't do this verbatim. So for instance, let's see here. Let's see what articles we have here. Global Info Research offers latest published report on kayak and kayak accessories. So it's going to give you 3 articles. You can put as many as you want on there. 5 best kayaks for outdoor adventure. Now this is to be a guide. All right, now this one's cool. This is what I'm going to grab. I like this one. And I'm just going to grab all this. And I'm going to copy. And you can see I already started this morning. And what I'm doing is just generating different articles. Paste. I'm just going to put together a set of articles and put it in a Word document, and then I'll utilize them. So from here, what I'm going to do with the articles is change them. This is a guide. Do not, although it changes the article that's online, it doesn't change it enough. I mean, if you do, all right, let's grab this line right here. Okay. You don't want to be, although this is technically not plagiarizing, I don't know, it's borderline plagiarizing, I guess. That's not what you want to do. You want to make it a unique article anyways. This is just a guide. Water kayaking. Actually, this one's not too... Oh, here it is. It's the easiest type of kayaking. Learn a good start point. This type of kayaking that you should start. See, it just rearranges the wording on there. So, okay, you've got a guide for an article. If you can't think of an article, there you go. And then just go into it and write different things. Add your own spin, your own flair to it. It's just a guide, like I said, okay? So here's another website. This is SpinWriter. You can be an affiliate if you want. I was checking that out. And it's 5-day free trial, which I have the free trial here. And then it's like $47 a month or something. I signed up for the free trial through my PayPal and then canceled it right after I signed up for it just to get the free trial. But you only get 10 articles anyways. So I'm just going to use the 10 articles and cut and paste them. And let's see, let's enter your article. I want to fetch new article. Again, I'll use the same keywords. All right, I'm going to fetch articles. And we'll just hang out for a bit until it's just searching online, see the articles with these keywords. And we'll basically, again, what it's going to do is just rewrite those articles. So let's see, buying a kayak. So yeah, you can do buying a kayak. You see all these different articles you can grab. So I'm going to do buying a kayak. Insert article. All right, so that's the article it found. It's going to rewrite the article for me. All right, and then there it is. And you can see it's just changing words around, give you ideas here. Let me show you further. So I'm going to finalize the article. I haven't used the one-click rewrite. Let's see what that is. I just finalized the article this morning. I didn't do the one-click rewrite. I just want to see what that's about. Oh, I see. It just rewrites it again. Anyways, that's cool. Okay, we'll finalize article. All right. And then there we go. And just want to copy all this. Oh, export. Okay, article in its own text file, unique article. Okay, so export as zip. Download articles. So there's your zip file. And I'm going to open up this and show you. All right, so there's all the articles with a variety of different wordings in it. So let's grab this, for example. Copy. Then bring my sheet up here. And I'll just go down here and come on now. All right, and just paste it in there. All right, guys, again, and gals, you don't want to be just pasting these articles into your website. Go through it, change things, make it your own. So Google loves you. And as you can see, it needs editing anyways. And there's a quick tip for you. It generates ideas as articles. If you don't have an idea for an article, it spits out an article for you, kind of like a template. Just go through it, change it to be your own. And just for example, look, is. They're not always grammatically and spelling correct. So that's my quick tip for today, guys. If you want to subscribe or share below, I would most appreciate it. You'd help the channel. And I'll talk to you next time. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.